Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue without a mixer. First, separate your egg whites carefully, ensuring no yolk contaminates them. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Next, choose a very clean, dry bowl, ideally glass or stainless steel, as plastic can retain grease. These initial steps are absolutely crucial for a successful, airy meringue. Now for the arm workout. Begin whisking your egg whites vigorously. Use a wide, circular motion, almost like a figure 8, and lift the whisk out of the mixture often to incorporate as much air as possible. Consistency is key here. Keep whisking until the egg whites become foamy and hold soft peaks when you lift the whisk. This is your cue to start adding sugar. Once you have soft peaks, it's time to add your sugar. Do this slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps the sugar dissolve and stabilizes the meringue. Keep whisking until the mixture is thick, glossy, and holds stiff peaks that stand straight up when you lift the whisk. Then, bake your meringue at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, until crisp. For the best meringue, consider the weather. Low humidity days are ideal. Be careful not to overwhisk, as this can make your meringue grainy and cause it to weep. If your meringue isn't holding its shape, it might need more whisking or the sugar wasn't fully dissolved. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.